What'd you find?
Look, Sammy.
Did he bring stuff for the stockings?
Yeah. Daddy, come up here. I found a candy upstairs. Come up.
Fun. Cassie, look. Look.
What?
Wow.
Here, oh, yeah.
No, look, it looks like the reindeer took a big old bite out of it.
And the
And look, the cookies have bites out of them too.
Santa come here, eat them.
Yeah.
The apple. Santa needs to eat them all. But he's not hungry.
He just took a quick bite. He had to hurry up. There was other kids he had to go see.
But that's Santa food. I want to make it the rest.
Should we save it for him next year?
For Santa come and eat these.
You can eat it if you want.
And the reindeer eat this.
He took a big old bite out of it. Did you see that? Look at that bite.
Does Santa come here?
Mm-hmm.
And there's presents and salt.
And the salt. Yep. All right, let's get Miss Presley, and then we'll go downstairs.